Hello, students. This is Kainat from Alamgul. Today, in this lecture, we'll go through some of the topics like sign convention and mirror formula and magnification. And after that, we'll solve some of the numericals. Okay, so here we go. For sign convention, first, sign convention, that how do we take the signs in mirror formula in numericals related to mirror formula and in all of these numericals. Fine. So let us take a mirror, convex mirror, concave mirror. Okay. The sign convention will be same as that of we do in the Cartesian plane. How do we do that? In just if we draw a this, if we draw a xy axis, then how do we take signs in this axis? We take in positive x axis, we take the signs as positive. In this axis, in left side, we take it as negative. In upper side, we take positive y axis, the values are positive, and here it's negative. The same thing will apply to this in the mirror formula, in the mirror, or even if it is concave or convex, even if it is mirror or lens. So this will be same in all of the mirror and lens. Okay, so means if image distance, if here, if any distance is taken from the pole to the left hand side, then what do we say? That it will be in negative. Like the object is always placed in the left side of the mirror, so because it has to be placed in front of the mirror, and here it is taken as in the negative axis, negative x axis. So always u will be taken as negative, means u will always be negative, even if it is concave mirror or lens, or if it is convex mirror or lens. Okay, so the object distance will be taken as negative always. Fine. Now for the focal length, we take from this in the negative x-axis. Also, focal length will be negative for concave mirror and lens, but for convex, the focal length is in this side of the mirror or lens. Okay, so that is why we'll take focal length for convex always positive, and focal length for concave, it will be negative. Okay, always be in negative, and focal length of convex will always be positive. Now what if we take the same as that of the radius of curvature? Okay, radius of curvature will be just a double of focal length, so same as that of that. And now comes the upper side and the lower side, and also v means image distance. Image distance, sometimes we get the image at right side of the mirror, and sometimes we get at the left side of the mirror. If our answers are coming out to be in negative, the v means the image distance is coming out to be negative. It means that the image is formed in the left side of the mirror or lens. Okay, and if it is negative, if it is positive, then the image is formed in the positive y-axis, the positive x-axis, means in the right side of the mirror or lens. Okay, now here comes the upper side and the lower side. Now if the object is erect, okay, if the object is erect, then it will be taken as positive, and if it is inverted, then it will be taken as negative, because it's showing negative y-axis, so it will be negative. Means if our answers are coming out to be in negative height of the image, then what we'll say? We'll say that the image is real, because inverted images are always real. Fine. See, if our and object distance, or the height of the object will always be positive, because we always keep the object erect, right? So height of the object will always be positive, and height of the image, it can be positive and it can also be negative. If it is positive, then it will be erect, right? And if it is negative, it means it will be inverted. Now if it is erect, already you people are knowing in the last lecture that if any image is coming out to be erect, then what is it? It is virtual. It is virtual. And if it is inverted, then it is real. Okay, so from the height of the image we can easily find out whether the what will be the nature of the image formed. Okay, ठीक है। तो ये अगर अगर ये इरेक्ट रहेगा तो पॉजिटिव होगा, और अगर नेगेटिव आया रहेगा तो वो इन्वर्टेड होगा, और वो इन्वर्टेड होगा तो रियल ऑफ कोर्स होगा ही। ठीक है, तो ये हमारा साइन कन्वेंशन है। ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज द अनदर थिंग? मिरर फॉर्मूला। Okay, now here comes the mirror formula. Now mirror formula is what? It is 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. What is it? V is image distance from the pole, image distance. This is your object distance from the pole, and this is your focal length. Okay, focal length. If u is given in the question, then you always have to take negative value of u. Always negative, always negative, even if it is given in the question or not. No matter, you have to take the image, you have to take the object distance always negative, because we always place the object in the left hand side of the mirror. Okay, mirror or lens, whatever. Okay, v it depends that what we are getting, what values we are getting, means what magnitude we are what sign we are getting. If it is negative, see, if it is positive, and if it is negative. If it is positive, then the image will be formed in the right hand side of the mirror or the lens. If it is positive in, see, there are many cases in this. I am telling you for both of these. Okay, so if it is positive, then again there can be two cases. For mirror, if it is positive, then the image will be formed in the right hand side of the mirror. Okay, right hand side of the mirror. It means that it will be virtual. From this also we can know about the nature of the image formed. So with this also we can say that the image is virtual. Okay, virtual. And if it is lens, then obviously the same thing will be the right hand side of the lens. Okay, in place of this it will be lens here, and it will be what? Real. It will be real. Why? Because always we get the whenever in the next lecture, when I will be telling about the lens, then you'll see that the image that are real we are getting at this side of the lens. Okay, but for mirror we always get the real images in the same place as that of the same side as that of the object. Okay, so if v is coming out to be negative, now if it is negative there, then for mirror and for lens. Okay, if it is negative for mirror, then it will be forming in the left side of the left side, and if it is lens, then it again it will be left side, obviously, because it's negative. So left side, and the image will be what? For mirror, if it will be negative, the image will be real. Okay, real. And if it is real, obviously it will be inverted. Okay, inverted also. And if it is in the left side of the lens, then it will be what? It should be virtual. Okay, virtual. The image will be virtual. Fine. So up to this we are done. Now this third thing that is coming out to be magnification. The formula for magnification of the mirror is m is equal to minus v by u. Okay, minus v by u. This is the formula for magnification, or minus hi by ho. This is the formula for magnification of mirror. Okay, for mirror. Okay, this is the magnification for mirror. M is equal to minus V by U. M stands for magnification, and it's minus V by U, means V is the image distance upon object distance, and here it will be minus HI by HO, means HI is the height of the image and HO is the height of the object. Okay, now based on these two formulas, we'll solve two questions today. So M is equal to minus V by U is equal to minus HI by HO, or we can say that and the mirror formula is what? 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. These are the two formulas that we have known, and one more formula is there. You people are already knowing that R is equal to 2F, means radius of curvature is equal to 2 into focal length. Okay, now these are the, here comes the question. If an object, if an object is placed 10 centimeter from the convex mirror, okay, 10 centimeter from the convex mirror, here it's saying that object distance means U is equal to minus 10 centimeter. See here, I have put minus here. Okay, of radius of curvature 60 centimeter. Radius of curvature is given 60 centimeter. It means we have to convert it into focal length. It will be what? The formula that I have wrote, R is equal to 2F. It means F is equal to R by 2, that is 60 by 2, that is 30 centimeter. Means F has come out to be 30 centimeter. And then find the position of the image. So position of the image means V is equal to what? We have to find it out. Now formula, we all are knowing the formula. What is it? 1 by U plus 1 by V is equal to 1 by F. Okay, now we have to know about V. So leave the V alone. 1 by V is equal to 1 by F minus 1 by U. Okay, since this is convex mirror, so we'll take focal length as positive, not negative. Okay, this will be positive. Okay, fine. 1 by F is 1 by 30 minus 1 by U, that is 1 by 10, means 1 by minus 10. Okay, so minus minus will become positive. 1 by 30 plus 1 by 10 into 3 into 3. You must be knowing this process. I should not tell you. 1 plus 3, that is 30. It's 4 by 30, and this is 1 by V. Since this is 1 by V, so we have to flip the numerator and denominators. 30 by 4, 2, and it will be 15. So 15 by 2, V is 15 by 2. See, this is positive in this. This is what? Positive in the same, in the right hand side of the mirror. Right hand side of the mirror, right? It means that it will be what? Virtual. Virtual. Always in convex mirror, what we used to have in the what we used to have as the image, it was always forming in the right hand side of the mirror. Now, because in the last lecture I showed you that the image was forming always at the right hand side of the mirror. Okay, and it was always virtual, so it will be positive 15 by 2. Don't forget to put the unit. It will be 15 by 2 centimeter. Okay, so the image formed is what? Virtual. And if it is virtual, then it will be erect. Okay, virtual and erect, and is 15 by 2 centimeter from the pole. Positive 15 by 2 centimeter from the pole. Then you need not to mention that it will be right hand side or left hand side. Okay, so positive 15 by 2 centimeter from the convex mirror. So write it like this. If it would have asked you the magnification, then you would have done this. M is equal to minus V by U, that is V has come out to be what? 15 by 2, right? So 15 by 2 minus 15 by 2, and it will be upon U. So U is minus 10. Okay, so minus minus would have got cancelled. 15 into 15 upon 2 into 10, it will be what? Getting by 3, by 5, so it will be 2. 3 by 4, it is less than 1. M is less than 1, so it will be what? M is positive also. It's positive, coming out to be positive, then it's also showing that it is what? If magnification is positive, then it means that it will be what? It will be what? A virtual. Okay. With the magnification also, we can know about the nature of the image formed. Virtual and erect, and what? Virtual and erect, and what if it is erect, then it will be virtual. So erect and virtual, or virtual or erect, and it will be lesser than um, size will be what? Lesser than the object. Okay. So I have just extended this question by adding by calculating magnification. Okay, now the second question is, a convex mirror used for rear view on an automobile has a radius of curvature of 3 meter. Okay, radius of curvature is given 3 meter. So f will be what? 3 by 2. Okay, 3 by 2 meter. If a bus is located at 5 meter from this mirror, so u is given as minus. See, this is convex. Always take a look in this, that which mirror it's talking about, the question is talking about. It's talking about convex mirror, so it will be positive. It will be positive. Okay, so you may mention or not mention, it's up to you. U is equal to, but negative sign you have to mention. U is equal to minus 5 meter. Okay, and also look into the units also, if it is, if they are the same or not. If they aren't the same, then make it same. From this mirror, find the position, nature, and size of the image. Okay, in this we also have to know about the size of the image. Okay, so u is equal to minus 5 meter is given, and we have to know about the position of the image. So v is what? Now for using mirror formula, what is it? 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Don't forget to write the formula. 1 by u, 1 by v is 1 by, we have to know about v, so 1 by f minus 1 by v. Rearranging this formula, 1 by f is, this is 3 by 2, so 1 by f will be 2 by 3. Okay, 1 by u, that is minus 1 by 5. 1 by minus 5. Okay, it will be minus, so 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. How, what it will be? 10 plus 3 upon 15, so 13 by 15. So this is 1 by v, so v will be what? 15 by 13. Okay, this is what we have got v as the image distance. Distance is positive, so it will be on the right hand side of the convex mirror. Okay, it will be right hand side of the mirror. And what other things it has asked? It has asked for the nature. Nature, if it is in the right hand side, obviously it will be virtual and erect. Okay, and erect, it's also showing that it is virtual and erect because it's positive, so it will be in the right hand side. Right hand side in mirror always tells us that the image formed is virtual and erect. Okay, now the size of the image. Now how about the size of the image? How would we know about the size of the image? Okay. It must not be size, I think it must be the magnification. It must be magnification. Okay, so we have to know, because for size we have to know at least one height, either height of the image or height of the object, but or magnification should be given, but here magnification is also not given, so it should be magnification. Find the magnification. Okay, so we'll just say that magnification will be m is equal to minus v by u, because other formula is minus hi by ho, where we are not knowing about the hi or ho, whatever be it is. Okay, so we cannot find this, so we can find the magnification. तो magnification find करेंगे. Minus v is 15 by 13, minus 15 by 13, and u is minus 5. U is a minus 5. So cancelling these, 15 by 13 into 5, this will get cancelled. 3 by 13. It's also positive. It's denoting that it is erect, virtual. Already it was decided that it will be virtual and erect, and it is 3 by 13 times as that of the object. 3 by 13 times as that of the object. Okay, so 3 by 13 means it will be the size of the image will be 3 by 13 times as that of the size of the object. Okay, so this is it that we have calculated. Okay, I'll come up with more numericals and videos in the next, and till then take care and don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel, like this video and subscribe to this channel. Okay, bye bye, tata.